Hey, welcome to the channel, and today we're going to program this Lincoln MKC. Okay, first things, you want to get in your car, come up to the engine because it's got to be on, so I just press it once, turn on the auxiliary mode. Right up here on the visor are your HomeLink buttons. You want to start off, there's 3 of them, 1, 2, 3. Start off with 1 and 3. You're going to press those 2 in at the same time, and you're going to continue to hold. And what we're waiting on is that red LED button right there. We're going to wait for it to start flashing. Bingo. Now the HomeLink is cleared and we're ready to program. You're going to need your handheld remotes. If you don't have your handheld remote, then you're not going to be able to do it. So you have to have your handheld remotes. And I'm actually going to program 2 doors. So this first remote right here goes for this door there, and this remote goes for the door over there. So here's what you want to do. You want to take your remote. You're going to pick what button you want to use. So I'm going to pick the far outside left to operate the big door here, and at the same time you want to press your remote button and the HomeLink button. Press them in at the same time, and then you're going to continue to hold them. Here we go. Okay, as I'm pressing both of them in, you can see that light start to blink fast. We're going to let go. During that process, the door closed, so let's go ahead and raise it back open. Now what we want to do is grab the other remote for the second door. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to take the button that operates that door and press the button we want, which is the outside. I'm going to skip this middle one and just do the outside one. So here we go. Again, we're waiting for that red LED to start flashing, and then we'll let go. You can see the door going down. Let's go ahead and send it back open. There we go. So now we just trained the remotes to the HomeLink right here. Next step, we're going to go on the garage and locate the Learn button on the opener. So we got a Genie machine, and on the back here, everything's labeled. You can see right there it says Learn button. We're going to press that little button and then go back to the car. We press the button, the red light's blinking. Let's go back. We're going to come to the HomeLink button that we chose and programmed, and we're going to press in and out. In and out. In and out. There we go. Now we can see the doors working. Let's press that HomeLink, see if it works. Press it again. Stop the door. Press it again. Send it open. Now let's go to the second bay. So this one here is a little different, but nonetheless it's got a Learn button. And typically it's located where the antenna is coming out. Like I said, where the antenna comes out of the machine, generally the Learn button's not too far away. Right there we see Learn button, purple square. We're going to press that in and let go. The LED light comes on. Let's go back to the vehicle. And again, the HomeLink button that we chose was this far outside one. So you're going to press in and out, in and out, until the door starts to work. There we go. So if we press the button again, it's going to send it right back open. Let's do our big door here again. So that's how you program your HomeLink for your Lincoln. And we actually programmed 2 different brands. One was a Genie, one was a Chamberlain. Hey, thanks for following along, and if you've got anything on this video, please comment and like. Peace out.